Reduce tooth stripping and enhance your Milwaukee M18 cutting performance with the professional MK Morse 811 TPI Portaband blade. This quality American-made Portaband is designed to boost power and performance while delivering fast, clean cuts in a variety of material. The 35 3/8 inch long Portaband blade will fit the Milwaukee M18 and will excel in cutting materials 1/4 inch and thicker. The 811 TPI blade cuts prime applications such as a Schedule 40 2-inch pipe, rigid conduit for electrical, strut, and threaded rod. The teeth of the 811 TPI blade are designed with a large backer so it withstands the high impact and stress of going in and out of materials. This tooth design also helps improve blade life and leaves a clean, workable finish. This American-made blade is engineered to reduce problematic vibrations that strip teeth and cause blade chatter. At Sawblade.com, we manufacture quality American bandsaw blades that are made to order, and we offer an extensive line of sawing products. We also sell circular blades, coolant, machines, and aftermarket parts. So you can think of Sawblade.com as your one-stop shop for all your sawing needs. Thanks for watching, and please check out Sawblade.tv for more in-depth videos, product overviews, and tech tips to take your cutting game to the next level. I'm Celeste, product specialist at Sawblade.com, and remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem. Go direct.